Hey guys, welcome to the Top 5 List channel. Are you looking best car night vision DVR in this video? I will show you the top 5 best car night vision DVR to buy right now on your budget. You can check out the links in the description box. Also, make sure you subscribe, up to date with the latest video. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Number 5 is Lingdu LV06. Specifications. Brand name, Lingdu. Aperture, f1.8. App compatibility, Lingdu app. View angle, 150. Camera resolution, 3840 by 2160. Max external memory, 128GB. Number of lenses, 1. Imaging sensor, Sony IMX415. Pixels, 800 mega. GPS logger, internal. Interface, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, micro SD, TF. Battery, none. Chipset manufacturer, Novatech. Warranty, 1 year. Number 4 is Red Tiger F17. Specifications. Brand name, Red Tiger. Aperture, f1.55. View angle, 130 to 170. Camera resolution, 3840 by 2160. Max external memory, 256GB. Number of lenses, 3. Imaging sensor, Sony IMX335. Pixels, 1800 mega. Display size, 3-5. GPS logger, external. Interface, USB 2.0, Type-C. Battery, built-in. Chipset manufacturer, Silicon. Working temperature, 2070. Warranty, 1 year. Weight, 0.7 kilograms. As the item number 3 we've selected, Wolfbox G840S. Specifications. Brand name, Wolfbox. Aperture, f1.5. Working temperature, -10 to 60. Display, IPS. Screen ratio, 16:9. View angle, 170. Camera resolution, 3840 by 2160. Max external memory, 128GB. Number of lenses, 2. Imaging sensor, Sony IMX335. Pixels, 500 mega. Display size, 12 inches. Battery, built-in. Chipset manufacturer, Silicon. Warranty, 1 year. Number 2 is Red Tiger F9. Specifications. Brand name, Red Tiger. Aperture, f1.55. Working temperature, 2070. Display, LCD. View angle, 130 to 170. Camera resolution, 3840 by 2160. Max external memory, 256GB. Number of lenses, 1. Imaging sensor, Sony IMX335. Pixels, 1800 mega. Display size, 3-5. GPS logger, external. Interface, USB 2.0, Type-C. Battery, built-in. Chipset manufacturer, Silicon. Warranty, 1 year. Weight, 0.7 kilograms. On the top of our list at number 1 we have Asdome Dashcam M550. Specifications. Brand name, Asdome. Aperture, f1.8. Working temperature, 20°C to 70°C. Display, IPS. Camera resolution, 3840 by 2160. Max external memory, 256GB. Number of lenses, 3. Imaging sensor, Sony IMX307. Pixels, 800 mega. Display size, 3 inches to 5 inches. Battery, built-in. Chipset manufacturer, Novatech. Warranty, 1 year. Weight, 0.42 kilograms.